A paint mixture was formed by mixing exactly 3 colors of paint. By volume, the mixture was X% blue paint, Y% green paint, and Z% red paint. If exactly 1 gallon of blue paint and 3 gallons of red paint were used, how many gallons of green paint were used? So we know that X% is blue paint and we have used 1 gallon of it. Similarly, Y% is equal to green and we need to find out its volume, and Z% is equal to red, and we know that 3 gallons of red paint has been used. Now, so we can say that 1 is equal to X% of the total weight, and similarly we can say 3 is equal to Z% of the total weight. So that also gives us an understanding that Z is equal to 3x. Now all that we need to find out is the value of Y, and we need to find out the amount of Y. So let's quickly check. The first statement here says that X is equal to Y. Now that we know that X is equal to Y, and from the question stem we already know that Z is equal to 3x, we can say that the ratio of blue, green and red, which actually is X, Y, Z, is same as X, X and Z is equal to 3x. So now we can understand that since X is equal to 1 gallon, so this X should also be equal to 1 gallon, and hence the green paint will have the quantity equal to 1 gallon. The first statement has given us the unique answer, therefore we say that the first statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. Now let's move to the second statement, which says that Z is equal to 60. Now that we know that Z is equal to 60, we know that X is equal to Z over 3 from this information, which means X is equal to 60 over 3, that is 20, which means Y should be equal to 100% minus Z plus X, which is 60 plus 20, and that gives us Y is equal to again 20%. Since 20% has the quantity equal to 1 gallon, so we know that the quantity of green paint, which is Y%, should also be 1 gallon. So the second statement also gives us the required output, therefore the second statement alone as well is sufficient, and because each statement alone is sufficient to answer the question, so the final answer to the question becomes option D. Thank you so much.